Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little rumor that's been going on that apparently we are going to see a permanent change to Windows updates. So right now, we talked about Windows as a service that's going crazy, and I think Microsoft needs to change. Well, I think slowly things are changing. First of all, we had the first change when they actually allowed users to defer up to 18 months feature updates, which I think is a great idea. But now we also learned, because for quite a while the big problem with Windows 10 was that Microsoft was hung up on shoving two big major versions every year to everybody, and that was a big problem. Windows needs, especially for most users, Windows needs to be that thing that is stable and works well, and doesn't change too much, and doesn't everybody's, I said in the last video, everybody's scared of doing Windows updates almost. And the thing is, these two major updates a year, that was a bad idea, and I think Microsoft now sees that as a bad idea. So the rumors that we are hearing, because last year we had a big update, the May 2019 update, and there was a small cumulative update, which was the November update, which instead of being a big update is just an update, a cumulative update that is installs over what you already had. And that is fine. That isn't bad as an idea. It's, the November update is more of a kind of a service pack like we used to have in old Windows. This year it's going to be the same. We just had the May 2020 update, and in October or November of this year what we'll have is another cumulative update, or something that looks like a service pack. That is also fine. Well, it seems that this is going to be the new norm, even though Microsoft isn't saying. From what analysts are hearing from the background noise in Microsoft, this would be the new norm, meaning that starting from now on, this is going to be the way it's going to be done. A big update, major update, first half of the year. Smaller cumulative update, end of the year, with very few new features, and much more focus on fixing whatever is wrong or whatever they need to fix from the first update. So that is actually more reasonable than what we had in the past, and I think it's a great idea that Microsoft continues in that way. So this is apparently, according to rumors, what will be the future of Windows 10, at least for now. So that's a good news. I know that for some it's still a bad news that there's a big update every year, but you gotta, let's be fair. Every device, every machine, every computer manufacturer, every operating system has a yearly major update. That's not an exceptional thing. So it's just that this one impacts a lot of people. It's a little bit like Android. A lot of people get annoyed at every update every year, because every version of Android every year kind of introduces or changes some of the things, and people are a little, mixed up. But this is, at least this is better than two updates a year. Nobody does two major updates a year on any operating system. It's crazy to do that. And Microsoft, I don't know who was behind this idea, but I don't think that was a good idea. And now we're getting to a more normal state, if you want, with that feature. Once again, we're moving forward with a Windows operating system that upgrades with new features, and upgrades with different new features. It's like there's no new version. There's not going to be Windows 11. So the way to always keep up to date is to have at least a yearly update, which is better anyways than the twice yearly major updates that used to be before. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.